Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the device ready, so turn on switch control now and register a physical switch. First, open Settings, go to Accessibility and enable switch control. Make sure Bluetooth is on if your switch is wireless. Once enabled, add a new switch, pick External for a button or screen for touch input, and assign a basic action like Select. This sets the foundation. You're not done, but you've created the control that will trigger the automated tapping behavior. Once your switch is added, change the scanning and timing so taps become automatic. In switch control settings, choose auto scanning so focus moves without manual advance. Then fine-tune scanning time and auto scanning, delay to control speed. Next, edit the switch action and map your button to tap or select, and enable repeat or adjust hold duration to make presses register as repeated taps. These timing values determine how fast and reliably the auto taps occur. Now test the setup in a simple app. Watch the scanning highlight and confirm the switch triggers repeated taps at the pace you set. Save a custom recipe or profile so you can quickly reuse these settings. Name it so you can switch back instantly. If things go wrong, restart the device first, then check Bluetooth connections and battery level on the switch. Finally, re-add the switch and retune scanning time. Small timing changes often fix missed taps, so iterate until it feels reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.